You were the shadow to my life. Did you feel us? Another star.
A new first include standard input output, second include console input output, then void main, then clear screen, then integer a b to enter value, then add, subtract, multiply, then division we will take in float, so float division, then printf. So enter the value of a, enter the value of a, then scanf percentage d for integer data type, and percentage a we will store it is the address of that data. Now printf enter the value of b, scanf percentage d integer data type, then and percent b address of that data where we store. So add is equal to a plus b. To add a plus b, subtract equals to a minus b. For multiplication a into b, division equals to a divided by b. Then and printf addition of a and b is not looking good, so percentage d and percentage d is percentage d. So first is a, first will print a, second will print b, and then add. So it continues all in all these statements. Subtraction of percentage d and percentage d is percentage d. So a, b, and subtraction. Then printf multiplication of a percentage d and percentage d is percentage d. Also a, b, and multiplication. And next division. So division of percentage d is percentage f, because we have taken division in float data type. That's why division in percentage f. For division percentage f. Get ch and close. Then save the program with .c. Two errors. Declaration is not allowed here. Declaration is not allowed here. So we will clear screen will rough clear screen, then error solved, program was run. A equals to 6 and b equals to 3. It's not looking good, so /n we add /n for new line. So it has been done /n. So save program, then clear screen to clear previous page, previous output. Save the program, run, then enter the a value 6 and 3. 6 into 6 plus 3, 9, 10.
Fade away, afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us